Hi guys, I'm Donna Dewberry, the original creator of the one-stroke painting technique, and I'm sitting here in my home studio, and I just wanted to sit here and show you a couple of kits that are really fun. So the kit I want to show you right now that you can go purchase this kit on hsn.com, and all you have to do is go to HSN and then look under Donna Dewberry, and you will find an amazing amount of kits, and from paint kits to brush kits to complete kits like this fabric kit I want to share with you now. So I'm really excited to share this with you because I think it's going to make a difference. And all of you out there who say, Donna, I love watching you, but I want to learn how to paint and I don't even know what to purchase. So go to hsn.com. But before you go, let me show you what's in this kit. This is a fabric kit. You've been asking for it, so I'm going to show you. Exactly. Let's go to my overhead camera so you can unveil the box with me. This is the box you would get from HSN. Okay, so let's look right here. There we are. So you're going to open your box, and I tell you, keep it in your box so it's organized, ready to go. And this is what I'm going to teach you. I'm going to teach you how to paint on t-shirts. Now look at those. Those look like commercial looking clothing. Here's a toad. Now look at this. You're going to be able to paint right on top of a striped outfit, a shirt that's striped. This isn't even t-shirt material. This is woven material. And then I match the tennis shoes to go with it. I have the color codes here that tell you which colors you're going to use. This is on a really rough material, and it's a little purse there. So let me show you. This is Fabric Creation, Folk Art Fabric Creation Fabric Inks. And I'm going to take you from a white t-shirt, and it's better to have a blend, not 100% cotton, but you know, you can wear denim jeans that are 100% cotton and work, but it lasts longer and looks better if there's a blend. So it can be 20, 70, 30, it can be whatever percent, but not all cotton. And this is a nice stretch shirt that I found at one of the very inexpensive discount stores. And then I want you to see, here it is on denim. Look how fun that is. Now what you're going to see in almost every one of these is there's stencils here, which are in the kit, the paints in the kit, the brushes in the kit. So let me show you. Look at this. This is just a regular plain shirt that I got at Goodwill. And I put stencils and painted on it, show you the colors on different shoes. This is one of my favorite. This is a light pink shirt, and I did rosebuds and stencils. Look at this. You can decorate your home with home decor. So I have a couple different kinds of pillows and a multitude of little kids' clothing. Put it right over stripes, put it right over blue striped tennis shoes. So we have our fabric key that tells you which fabric color you're going to use for whatever project we've done. Now all the full patterns are in here, but before I start that, I want to show you, this is a technique I've created. So I have a pen design, it's called, and what I've done is I slide the pattern so you can see it underneath the shirt, and then I put in here the pen for you to use. Here's the pen. It's got two ends on this pen. So let me show you. There's a large tip. These are permanent markers, which will last through wash and wear. Okay, there's a real fine tip for detail. Now, what's going to happen with this pen is that this pen, like many are out there right now, if you wash and dry those, they turn gray and fade away. This pen I put in here goes through many washings and lasts wonderfully. This pen's enough to do all your projects here. Then the second step is taking the paint and we fill it in like we're doing a color book. Okay? And then the third step is when it's all dry, we're going to take that pen and do extra detail in there. So you pinned it on, you filled it in with the paintbrush and the paint, just like you're doing watercolor in a color book. And then you get all that pretty shading by using your pen at the end. And I tell you in detail how to do that. Then here is the how you transfer the design if you have to put it on something that you can't slide under it. You're going to take this and put the graphite paper down towards the shirt. The shiny part goes towards the shirt. It tells you all of this. Then you're going to go around. I like to use a ballpoint pen, but you can go around it with this pencil. And when you lift it up, the pattern's underneath. All right. So third technique is how to stencil. Now I'm going to show you in a minute a little bit of stencil, but here's your stencil on a t-shirt. I took the brush and I just ghosted it on there, and there it is. You lift that off and there's your butterfly. So it's really quick and easy. I'm going to show you what else is in the kit. Now this is our fabric painting kit on HSN, and the price that you get on HSN is exclusive to them. So it's a super special. These are one stroke Donna Dewberry fabric brushes. All right, I have a 1 inch, a 12 flat, and a 6 flat. So you have all these these are new brushes of mine right on HSN exclusively. You get your Identipen, your brushes, and then let me show you. These are Fabric Creation fabric inks. So we have soft paint. You can, it's smooth in your hand, never cracks, and you can wash it and dry it, and it's beautiful. All right, so you're going to have all these 2-ounce bottles. We have all the colors that you need to do every project I shared with you on denim, fabric. I've done it on silk scarves, tote bags, purses. All right, so all these beautiful colors. And this is Fabric Creations Fantasy Glitter. So I want you to see, I don't know how much you can see there, but I paint this glitter on anything after it's dry that I like. And then what I do is I heat set it. I lay like a linen towel, a thin towel, on dish towel on top of my glitter, and I iron it with a dry iron, not a steam iron, and it fuses it right into the fabric and to the paint, and you're ready to go with lots of glitz and sparkle. Okay, so let's see what else is in this kit. All right, so I told you I have patterns. Now what you're gonna like is full-size patterns. These are actual full size, and there's the roses I showed you on the gray. There's a big pretty poppy. All right, now look over here. I have all kinds of sunflowers and other contemporary looking flowers. I have a beautiful dragonfly. I've just done pretty dragonflies and nothing else. And all this detail on here is with the pen and ink, with the Identipen. And then look at your bird and your pretty florals. That's just, I counted this once. There's over 25 or so 30 designs pieces in here. So here's a big poppy. All right, so look how big. It's bigger than me stretching my hand. Full size patterns that go on the denim jacket all the way. And you can have this tulip hang over your shoulder. Then I've got that big flower for that t-shirt that we did, that you paint it and you just squirt it with water and it makes it bleed, and it's watercolor effects. Look how cute just the bumblebee and the flowers are. Then I did all those roses I told you about. These are very quick and easy roses with baby's breath, and it was just 3 colors I used. It was magenta, white, and black, and so it turned out so pretty. And this was the daisy. You can lay those daisies in a border around a piece, or you can do it all up and down your shirt. And here's another big, beautiful wildflower or poppy, peony, whatever you want to call it. Okay, so that's not all. Those are full-size patterns that are going to make in your home decor or your clothing. And then I have more details of hints that make it easier and help you while you're doing your fabric painting. And then to top it off, and I can't give you the price, you have to go to hsn.com, but you will be surprised the special deal that these are for you. Now I love the stencil words. So there's the words. I can put the butterfly and just stencil within the butterfly, and that's the butterfly stencil that I ghosted with my paintbrush. Then I can take this butterfly and lay there and then paint around it and just leave the shape. Like even if I'm on black, I can paint around the edges and the butterfly will stay black and I can do detail on it. This one is the one I stenciled, and I stenciled the inside sometimes, just a little bit in the middle sometimes, or just the outside edge. And all of this is shown to you in those how-tos. Fun designs that you can see how I put little bits of that on there. I really liked using the feathers. So I want you to see that I have 3 different kinds of feathers there. And those I did on the denim jacket and some like arrow designs. These designs are fun to just kind of lay all over and just do little bits of this and then put something else painted with it. So I think that's 7 stencils or 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. All right, you're going to get your 3 brushes. All right, and your Identipen. You're going to get all of the 7 paints and 1 glitter, makes 8. And you're going to have the how-to hints that I've given you. You're going to have 2 full pages, over 20 something, right at 30 design pieces. All right, and then the full inspiration sheet showing you how to use every one of these and the how-tos on how to make it happen. And you can come right back to YouTube and learn more about it. I'm Donna Dewberry, and I'm excited for you to go to HSN and see what other kits that I have available for you. So you were looking for brushes or paint sets or whatever you want with your one-stroke painting, I've got it there for you. hsn.com, Donna Dewberry.